Hey everyone, the Oppo Watch X3 arrives as a clear statement of intent from Oppo, aiming to blend premium materials, advanced health tracking, and true standalone smartwatch functionality into a single refined package. From the moment you look at it, the Watch X3 stands out with its full titanium construction. Using aerospace-grade TC4 titanium alloy, Oppo has managed to make the device both lighter and slimmer than its predecessor, reducing weight by 16% and thickness by over 6%. This results in a watch that feels premium without becoming bulky on the wrist. The use of sapphire crystal with a hardness rating above 8 on the Mohs scale further reinforces its durability, giving it strong resistance against scratches in everyday use. Combined with MIL standard 810H certification and IP68/IP69 ratings. The display is another highlight. The 1.5-inch panel is both sharp and highly efficient, adapting its refresh rate to conserve battery when needed. With a peak brightness of 3000 nits, visibility in direct sunlight is excellent, which is particularly important for a smartwatch intended for outdoor use. Health tracking is where the Watch X3 makes some of its boldest claims. Oppo has integrated a wide range of sensors, including heart rate, blood oxygen, ECG, and wrist temperature monitoring, creating a comprehensive health monitoring system. While it may not replace medical-grade equipment, it provides users with valuable insights into trends and potential risks, especially when combined with lifestyle analysis. Sleep tracking is equally detailed, going beyond basic duration measurement to include sleep stage recognition, snore detection, and risk analysis for potential sleep issues. Fitness tracking is extensive, with support for over 100 sports modes. Advanced metrics such as stride balance, ground contact time, and calorie burn offer deeper insights into performance, while dual-frequency GPS ensures accurate tracking during outdoor activities. On the smart features side, the Watch X3 delivers a near phone-like experience on the wrist. With eSIM support, it can handle calls, messages, and app usage independently, reducing reliance on a paired smartphone. Integration with services like WeChat further enhances its standalone capabilities, especially in markets where such platforms are central to communication. NFC support adds convenience for payments, public transport, and access control, while the inclusion of music streaming and navigation apps makes it a versatile everyday companion. Running on ColorOS Watch 16, the software experience feels modern and responsive. Gesture controls, customizable watch faces, and fast notifications contribute to a smooth user experience, while the interface remains intuitive enough for daily use. Battery life is solid, though it varies significantly depending on usage. Under heavy use, including features like eSIM and continuous tracking, the watch lasts around 3 days. With more typical usage, it can stretch to about 5 days, and in a power-saving, long battery mode, it can reach up to 16 days. In terms of design options, the Watch X3 is available in 3 distinct finishes, each offering a slightly different aesthetic. Overall, the Oppo Watch X3 feels like a mature and well-rounded smartwatch that successfully bridges the gap between luxury design and advanced functionality. It is not just about tracking steps or displaying notifications. It aims to provide meaningful health insights, robust fitness tracking, and true independence from a smartphone. For users looking for a durable, feature-rich smartwatch with a premium build and strong health monitoring capabilities, it stands out as one of the more compelling options in its class. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please leave a comment. Have a nice day, and God bless you.